So for this recipe, you'll need tortillas. I normally use corn tortillas, but this was all I had. Cheese, lettuce, guacamole. This recipe is up on my channel if you want to learn how to make it. This is an avocado salsa that I bought from a local Mexican store. So I'm just going to go ahead and start putting my olive oil in my pan so I can saute my shrimp. Next, I'm going to add the shrimp in. My heat is on like a medium heat right now, so I think it's a number 5 on my stove. So I'm just adding the shrimp in, and then I'm going to season them up really good. This will be our shrimp for our shrimp tacos that are going to be absolutely delicious. This is one of my favorite recipes of all times. I love shrimp tacos. So this is some Redmond's seasoning salt. I used the garlic seasoning salt, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Also used some garlic powder on this day and some black pepper. This was the finished shrimp. Now I'm going to fry my tortillas. So I just used the olive oil, same olive oil you've seen before with the tortillas. Flip them on each side so they're golden brown, and then I'm going to add all of my toppings that I showed you earlier. So I have my tortillas with all of the wonderful toppings. I have that avocado salsa on the top that's so good. These tortilla shells are actually keto if you are keto. I'm not keto and usually use corn tortillas.